Oh, they taking Sasa's water. No. Hi, Stella. I mean, no, usually. Go on, go play. You got your ball? Here, let me grab it. Here, let me grab it. Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. What's that? Ooh-wee. So we got Siamese and Persians today. Julie's, that's our ragamuffin. Julie, you are stunning. You are stunning. They are quick. And they're totally ignoring the water fountain. I don't know. They used to never ignore that. Now they're just like, whatever. Y'all playing? Boy, you are fast. Get that, get that, get that. Hi. These are too little to run around yet. They're going home soon, though. Yeah. Yes, we are. Oh, boy. Hi, gorgeous. Hey. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, my goodness. There's blue eyes. Yes. Yes, you are. Trevor, yours is back there. He ain't moving much. Not. He's not moving much. Come on, littles. Wow. Those are some fast babies. Woohoo. Time to get the GoPro. Lord. My camera footage sucks, huh? We are at our cattery in Baton Rouge, y'all, and we are about to move in November, so y'all will be seeing us probably slide out. I don't know what we're going to do. I mean, we'll have to wait and see exactly where we're going to go. But wherever we go, it's got to be proximate to Jerry, because we still need to help him. Hello, gorgeous. So that one's available, and the two girls are available. Yeah, so 4 of these will be available. That one's reserved, and then the little orange is reserved. So these 4 are actually all available. Yes, and these are our most economic ones. These are $250. That one he's $250. The rest are $450. No, I'm wrong. Sorry, that one. That guy's $250 right there. These are all $450. That one is reserved for Lindy. Hey, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous. And then we have another one that looks just like that, a fatty, right there. Oh, yeah.